This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Gotham Decor, Newport Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, skylight, stovetop burner, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is built on a Spartan K1 chassis and is powered by a Cummins B6.7 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.